Windows can't find the Diasymreader Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. To start fixing Diasymreader Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Diasymreader Library, the Debug Interface Access, DIA symbol reader. It provides localized unmanaged routines for reading and parsing .pdb, program database, symbol files, mandatory for localized crash dump analysis, and localized developer debugging tools. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like Diasymreader Library. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Diasymreader library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Diasymreader Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Diasymreader Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Diasymreader Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.